heading out to our first and only job, but it's like 3 in 1. It's a carpet, tile, and hardwood. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day. It's an over the phone estimate, unfortunately, but the only reason why it is because it's about an hour away, and I've been really busy the last couple of weeks to even get out there. So hopefully the estimate is pretty accurate. I'm gonna check it out, but it was a $1,700 estimate, 3,500 square foot house, a lot of hardwood. So hopefully things aren't in too bad a condition, and we'll see when we get there. Stay tuned. All right, so just did a walkthrough. The estimate was pretty accurate. I mean, really accurate. Surprisingly, there's a whole lot of floor. So we're doing all this tile. Let me get all these lights on. Doing all the tile. Doing the shower. Already pre-sprayed this one, just scrubbing it. Got a bunch of scrubbing tools right here we're using. That's for the showers and stuff. Hard to place this. Blue brushes on here. On the multi-wash. Using carpet detail. And for carpets, there's six areas. And carpets are not in bad shape. A lot of hardwood. Get some more tile here. Some more shower. Doing 3 of these shower bath areas. Stairs. We're not doing these. Not doing the tile here. It's all getting taken out. All this hardwood. All this hardwood. This bathroom right here. Oh, actually, they're not. The bathroom's going too, so we're not cleaning that one. This bathroom and this shower. Charge them $100 a shower. And some more carpet down here. So most of it's hardwood, but a lot of tedious tile work. You know, proper tools makes the job easier. So hopefully this goes pretty smoothly. We're gonna knock out the tile, then we're gonna do the carpets, and then we're gonna, the last thing is do the hardwood. So yeah, that bathroom done. On to the next rooms here. Curious to see how well we get this one. 330 and this one. Okay. So, alright, gotcha. All right, all finished up. Kind of dark in here, but yeah, carpets. There's one stain right there, but lady came already, put her, threw down mats and stuff. Looks good. A lot of hardwood, so it took a while. Came out good. Did the stairs last because there was a lot of traffic up and down the stairs. Hardwood. Customer's really happy, especially with the tile. Came out great. Remember how black it was. Let's see if I can get some before and after screenshots, because I forgot to take pictures. Yeah, carpet and the first bathroom where we started, so she's liking it. We did the all around the tub too, so all right, so we're out of here, and I wanted to note it took us 5.5 hours to do all of that. It was quite the work. Customer was cool, gave us a 15% tip, so yeah, brought it up to about 1,900. So I mean, yeah, it took us 5.5 hours. So if you're thinking of getting into your own business, especially the floor cleaning business, because that's what I do, so that's what I can tell you about. But there's a lot of people that work all month for that type of money, so very appreciative. And you get great customers like this, and you get to go out in the country sometimes and enjoy it. There's a big old lake right over. Let me see if I can. I'm not gonna be able to get it. I think you might have seen it on the way in. But yeah, I'd like to go down there and take a dive. Maybe we will. All right. See you in the next video.